We're often asked how Pre-Infusion works on our LUCCA A53. So in this video, we'll be giving a simple and quick demonstration of how it's used and the different ways it can be programmed. The A53 is a direct plumb only machine, which means it uses the passive pressure of the water line to accomplish pre-infusion. It simply opens a path to the group head by opening a solenoid. The exciting part is that this pre-infusion can be programmed for between 1 and 8 seconds. When you press either of the machine's 2 brew buttons, this pre-infusion step will occur automatically, making it consistent and easy. Let's go ahead and program this machine to do 4 seconds of pre-infusion. First, we'll enter the settings menu by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. To change the pre-infusion setting, we'll now press and hold the boiler button for another 3 seconds. Now you'll see that all of the numbered lights on the face of the machine have gone dark. This indicates that pre-infusion is off. By pressing the boiler button, we can increase the duration of pre-infusion by 1 second increments. I'll press it 4 times to set a 4-second pre-infusion. By pressing the power button again, we'll save and exit the settings mode. As you can see, when I press the shot button, we get a slow trickle of water for 4 seconds. And then we hear the pump kick in. Now let's pull a shot. Just for fun, we pulled shots with 0, 4, and 8 seconds of pre-infusion to give you a visual for how that impacts extraction. Around here, we generally stick to about 5 seconds of pre-infusion. It's enough to ensure even extractions without having too much impact on the yield you'll have when you stop your shot. The convenience and added consistency of pulling shots with automated pre-infusion that stop at a specified volume is why this is our go-to recommendation for companies and small shops, and why it's the machine we use in our offices. If you enjoyed this demonstration of the A53's pre-infusion abilities, be sure to hit the like button. If you have any other machine features you'd like to see highlighted in future videos, let me know in the comments below. For more coffee knowledge, tap subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.